In lesson 2.1, we talked about when a number doesn't have a written exponent, it's not a 0, it's a 1. But what happens when we actually have an exponent of 0? Because yes, we can have an exponent of 0, and this is actually the easiest of the properties. Any number raised to the power of 0, like in this case, a to the power of 0, is always going to equal 1. This is the easiest property because it's always 1. 6 to the power of 0 equals 1. A negative number like 98, a negative 98 to the power of 0, well, that it is still 1. Any number, you can have a big negative number like negative 132 to the power of 0, that is still going to be 1. Even decimals raised to the power of 0, any number, positive or negative, big or small, raised to the power of 0 turns equal 1. So every time you see a number with a written exponent of 0, your answer is going to be 1. Well, actually, almost any number. There is one number that is not equal to 1 when we raise it to 0, and that's when we have 0 to the power of 0. This is the only case, the only case that we raise to the power of 0 and it's not 1. When we have 0 raised to the power of 0, this is actually something that is undefined. Math standards, mathematicians, still have not defined what this answer is. So this is something that we called an undefined answer. We talked a lot more about 0 to the power of 0 and these undefined definitions in calculus when we get to college. But for the moment, if you see 0 to the power of 0, your answer is undefined. For more math lessons like this one, visit our website, mathusermanual.com, or follow us on Instagram at mathusermanual.